I was trying to get it. Every single morning, took the bus to hit the studio. My nigga, I was living on a mission. Thought I was the greatest every minute. I would say I need a record deal. A nigga stay with.
What's going on, guys? Jay here, and today I have a new tutorial on how to motion track with Boujou, C4D, and Sony Vegas or After Effects, but in this purpose I'm going to be using Vegas. So first you want a cinematic that you can motion track with. Right now I have mine, and I want to put my text like right there. So you import that into Sony Vegas or After Effects. I'm not going to be teaching you After Effects because Sony Vegas is just easier. See, then you have I'm going to cut the part out where it just sits still. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that. Alright, so now that you know that, you import it and stuff, and then you press this little thing, this has got like green and blue, where you go to File and Render As. Wait for that. Okay, so that's my normal video rendering, but this is the look. So if you want that, you go down to image sequence and all that, and either do JPEG or PNG. I like either one, but and then you go to browse, and then make a folder specifically for all these pictures, because otherwise it's all gonna go on like your desktop or whatever, and that's what I did, and it just ruined it. Okay, so you can name it anything. I'm just gonna leave it like that and leave it in my folder that I already made, and press render. It's only gonna take like a minute. Alright guys, so now that it's done, you're going to, let me close that, you're going to go to the folder that you got it, and now we've rendered out all those pictures. Make sure it's in 60 FPS so it doesn't look choppy. Okay, so you're just going to minimize that and head into Boujou. Alright, then once you're here, press import sequence, click the drop down, users, slash user, desktop, and go to wherever you've saved it, and then you're gonna get all this. Click the one that says 00000. Okay, so the one, not two, but just 0. Open and move your frame rate to there, and then you just leave it like that. And then you press track features, and then you start it. I'm just gonna cut this out. It's gonna take maybe like 5 minutes, so just be patient, and I'll see you when it's done. Okay, so now guys, you press camera off, and you check optimize camera path smoothness and press start. Alright guys, so now that's done, you'll see all these blue and yellow dots. So now you press scene geometry, and you are going to press add chord from hint, which I already accidentally did, but just press add chord from hint, and and leave it as origin, and go to the place that you want your text to be, and like you press one like right in the middle of everything, and then press connect to selected, press another, add another chord from hint, and make this your x-axis, and that is straight across. So now you want to go from just straight across, like it doesn't want it to be slanted like that. You want it to be just straight across, like from here to here, there to here. So then you hold control and press another point, press connect to selected, add another chord from hint, and make this your y-axis. Okay, so now your y-axis is your up and down. So you press one of these that you already selected and press that. Just click it so it doesn't click the other one too, and you just pick a point straight up. I'm going to pick this one, and about straight up. You know what? I'm not gonna click that one. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Then you press connect to selected. Add another chord. This is gonna be your Z. Z. Okay, and this is gonna be like your depth. So now mine is going to be, I'm gonna click that one and make it, I'm gonna click that one. It doesn't have to be straight up, but like it would be like just the depth of it. It might be about that fat. Okay, so connect to selected and press update chord frame and then close. Okay, so now add test objects. It's about right. Oh well. Sometimes it's not really accurate, but okay, so press export camera. Go to export type, Cinema 4D, and go to browse. Wait for it. Okay, now place. I'm gonna place it on my desktop. I don't know about you, place it wherever you want. That's where you're gonna open it and press save. And then instead of scale scene by 1, type 100. Okay, press save. Alright, now you can, you already saved your Cinema 4D file. I already have it open, just a brand new empty project. So you're gonna open the project that you just made. Okay, so okay, press OK. And now it's motion tracked and stuff. Now you want to press hold that one that looks like a floor thing, press and hold it, go to background and let go. And now you go to your folder that you saved all these pictures, and you take the very first one that you take it, then you drag it in there, then you press no. Okay, so then you want to drag that to background, double click that, click where it says texture, click there, go to animation, press calculate, and exit. Oh yeah, you have to drag this all the way out. Okay, so it shows all of your frames. Then you drag that to background. Now it shows all my frames. Okay, so now that you're at the part where you want your text, I wanted mine like right here. Click on Mode Graph and then go to Mode Text. Load them. Let it like load up and create. Alright, so now that your text is there, you want to put, I'm going to put J presents. Okay, and then I'm going to align it to middle. Alright, so what font do I want? I'm feeling Typograph right now. Typograph Pro, that's what I usually use for my motion track. Alright, so you're gonna use this. I'm gonna like make it all straight. Make it all straight like that. Perfect. Alright, so now this is gonna be your depth right here. It's gonna be like how fat it is. 330, like behind it and stuff. Hold on. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it at 20 how it was. Okay. I know it's behind a wall. I'll teach you how to like cut this out, or not cut it out, but like mask it where like that won't show through the wall. So like if you play through it, it's motion tracked perfectly. Let me move it. Hold on. I'd sometimes move it to the sides. I can get to that and move it forward. Alright. I'm gonna load up some materials that I have. You can like get those in like a pack or something called like a Cinema 4D pack or something. Cinema 4D texture pack or So then I'm gonna put on like a purple. That purple looks pretty nice. Alright. Works pretty well. Okay. See? You can just stays put. I know it shows through there, but I will if you have a certain cinematic where like it started right here, if you just cut it right there and just went on, you wouldn't have the problem of it showing through the wall, but in this case you do, and I'll do all the rest later. But this is the end of the tutorial, and this is Jay, and I'm out.